In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate O2 SIM card pay as you go. So having here this article, it can help us activate and using your SIM for O2. So for this, you can help and see their SIM types like plastic SIMs as well as eSIMs. So with plastic SIMs, you can remove your data bars by going over right there to your support icon and opening the phone SIMs and devices, picking the correct product and choose bar and divert from the manage SIM dropdown. You can select SIM barring as well as deselecting all mobile data. Now, in order to activate your SIM, you need to actually pay monthly as a customer. So on the actual plastic SIM, it will be ready to use straight away. If you're using an eSIM, you just need to download the SIM profile to your device using the QR code in the eSIM pack. Now, or the new pay-as-you-go customers, if you have the plastic SIM, you'll need to put it on your device and then top up to activate it altogether. For existing monthly users, if you have a new plastic SIM, you can move your number across to the new SIM by signing into My O2 and choosing installing your SIM option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.